Okay guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So right now I am here in my village. So this is the season for preparing for planting rice. So you see them, they are ploughing the fields and they are ready for planting the rice. So even me also, I just come and see them, visit them. Actually I'm not expert to ploughing field like this because most of the time I do not stay in village. I don't know. Anyway guys, we must appreciate them. You see they are, even though today is raining, it's a rainy day also, still they are working because you know they are all farmers, right? So farmers, there is no holiday, they have to work it even though if it is sunny or raining also, there is no holiday for them. The raining happening, but then they are all hard working. So even though if it's raining, they are still working. So we must appreciate all the farmers. You see, even in the raining days also, still they are working. There is no holiday for them, even though it's raining or sunny also, there is no holiday, they have to work it. So see, this is the way how we plough the fields for planting the rice in our village. Actually this field before they are plant carrot, so there is no more carrot now. That's why now they are preparing for planting the rice. This one is already completed and okay, so see them, they are all catching fish. This is a lake, small lakes. Belum temo tong dolon. Belum temo tong dolon. Ya, beri. Jadi rimnya pedang tadi. Hai, ya, pedangnya pedang. Okay guys, I will show you this. I don't know what they call. In our dialect we call it dolon. So they are getting this one from this small lakes only. Even though it's raining also, it's enjoy, right? This is village life. Even me also, I don't get a chance to visit village in summer, in winter season, but then I think it's more fun when I came to village in summer season. Nggak diskuri mame? Nggak diskuri gimana? School. Okay guys, so these are the lunch. Okay, see, these are the lunch for them. Potatoes, they just boil the potatoes and then eat and then carry in the field or anywhere where they carry the cows and goats. Not like mostly people, they used to have lunch with rice or bread, but here in our village it's very unique. We used to have lunch with potatoes. Alu.